as you can see, we have another sump to put in a fuel tank, and this time it is in a Mustang. So if you have ever done these, Mustangs are totally different, being that the tank is not flattened. So you see we got our holes cut in it like normal. So this is just a store-bought sump that's flat. What we had to do on this particular application is, you basically notch corners out, cut a line across it. That way when it lays on the tank, it actually sit flat. So that's kind of just an extra step. And then you actually have to kind of score a line across the inside of it to get the bend, to get you a nice clean bend on it. And then on this particular one, you can see we've got the sides of the tank cut off. What we're doing is, it's got big wheels and tires on it, but it's also a mini tow car, and it's also going to get some big 3.5-inch tailpipes. So we're trying to keep the stock tank, but we're having to modify the stock tank to make it fit. So we will get this thing welded up and show you how it fits, and hopefully we don't have any leaks. Stay tuned. Step number one, make sure you turn the gas on. TIG welders don't like it when you try to weld without the gas on. Alright, so that's our tank finished up. I meant to get a video when it was on the table, but I forgot, so this will have to work. But you can see we got our sump fully welded in. Went ahead and cut the factory cover so it'll pop through. And then the reason we had to notch it, you can see we got the tailpipes running through it. But you can see this is the side of the tank that we notched, just to clear our tailpipes. Same thing on this side. And the reason being is, like I said, we've got tailpipes coming through the car, and kind of get back. You can kind of see now a little bit of why the reason we did what we did. Clear this big aluminum exhaust. But that pretty much wraps that up right there. Like I said, you can't really tell from the back that it's been notched. But it's mainly just to clear our aluminum exhaust and get it all set in there. And it kind of gives it somewhat of a factory appearance from the back. But there you go. All right, so that's gonna finish this up right there. Good looking old car.